This is how I used to get my hiccups to go away. Block your ears, block your nose. Yeah. Super sketchy. Sometimes it would work, and more often than not, it didn't. I'm obsessed with Shark Tank and just found out about this. It's called the Hickaway. It is a hiccup straw. This little cap comes off the bottom. There's a side for adults and a side for kids. All you do is match the side up with what you want. I'm an adult, so that's what I'm going with. And then you put it in a shallow glass of water and you just drink. I obviously don't have the hiccups, but that's how you do it.